Bam, it's Ani with another lesson on hyperbolas today. So today we're going to be finding the standard form of a hyperbola given the vertices and the focus. First of all, you graph your given information. So 2 here and you have 2 here. And you can draw your graph. This is a vertical hyperbola since it opens up and down, and since the vertices lie on the y-axis. Now you plot your focus, which is going to be 4 units up from the vertex and 4 units down from the vertex. You're going to count 1, 2, 3. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is your focus and vertex and vertex. You know that since this is a vertical hyperbola, you know the standard form of the equation is going to be in the form y minus k squared all over a squared minus x minus h squared all over b squared is equal to 1. So this is the form it's going to be in. You know that the center is 0, 0, so you already know what h and k is going to be. This is h and k. And you can plug this in here, but we'll do that later. We want to find the value of a squared and the value of b squared. But before we can find the value of a squared, b squared, we want to find the value of a and c. To find the value of a and c, a is always going to be the distance from the center to the vertex of this graph right here. So this is a, and the value of a is going to be, you're going to count, it's going to be 2. Equals 2. Now you're going to find the value of c, and the value of c is going to be the distance from the center to the foci. So you're going to find that. So c is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. C is equal to 6, and a is equal to 2. Now we are ready to plug these into the equation. But first, let's solve find what b squared is. So to find b squared, we have a given equation for that. The equation is c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. C squared is going to be 6 squared. A squared is going to be 2 squared. And you're just going to solve this. So you're going to get 36 is equal to 4 plus b squared. 36 minus 4 is equal to b squared. 32 is equal to b squared. So you know what b squared is 32, a squared is 4, and now we're ready to plug in our information into standard form equation. So your center is hk, so this part is just going to be y squared over a squared is 4 minus this top part is just going to be x squared because your center is at 0, 0. And your b squared is going to be equal to 32, and this is always equal to 1. Okay, and then this is your final answer.